how to assemble it, and basically go through the wiring of it. So we're just going to look at one string. Essentially what we did was used T-channel to run these main lines where we connected the back end of the string to this other 3D printed piece over here that actually has the tuner, and these pieces will actually be uploaded onto the website. The next portion would be how you connect in the stepper motors. It's also another 3D printed piece, as you see here. They're just 4 screws that plug in right there, as well as a 3D printed picking unit. Just has 5 different picks on it. There you go, 5 different picking units. There's also this stepper motor that's hooked to another 3D printed part here. These bearings and wheels were actually printed as well for that. So it kind of gives you an idea of how this whole thing's basically put together. So what you'll do is cut 2 pieces of T-channel, one a little bit longer than the other. If you want to see the measurements, they're actually on the website. Once you get those put in, you essentially insert the slide for the the solenoids. Once you get that slid in there, you just slide these 2 bigger pieces on once you find the CAD files, and that'll finish that off. Once you do that, I'd recommend hooking in your stepper motors for direction control and plucking, and then slide this last one on and begin running your string through, which we just went and bought some normal tuning pieces to basically tune the guitar. As you can see in there, just wrapped it around just like you would a normal guitar. So essentially that's how you put the bass string together. Then you just rinse and repeat, do it 4 times over. The next piece would be the optical pickups. If we come around here, we can look at one. Essentially we have the optical pickup here. It's got a 5-volt line. Oh man, that will not focus. 5-volt line, the line that's going to the transistor and the LED on the pickup. And then we have an audio output that then runs over to that amp, which you can get all these circuit designs online to figure out how to build them. Last thing